Hi everyone, welcome back to Slay Secrets YouTube channel. Long story short, I ordered a wig off of Amazon. The hair company that I ordered from is called ATOZ Wig. So I'm in the mood for like switching things up, trying new things. So I got me a little short john, which was really super cute online. It has curls too, so you know, I was like, okay, I can do short and curls. So I went ahead and I ordered it online. So it came in today. I swear, Amazon makes so much money off of me. Oh my goodness. So enough of that, let's go ahead and open this box. Okay, so ATOZ Wig. So this is a 4x4 parting space Brazilian lace front wig. So let's open this box. This is the hair. So in the box they give you a free wig cap, so that will definitely be useful in the future. And also it comes with a little thank you card, so definitely appreciate that. It also shares their contact information in the card, and then it advertises for other wigs that they have for sale. So other than that, let's open this wig. Okay, these curls are tight. Alright, so let's get started. So the first thing is first, initial shedding, and I'm going to do my usual comb through. No shedding. No shedding. So that's good. No shedding at all. No shedding at all. So the next topic is true to length. So this is supposed to be a 12-inch long 4x4 lace part wig. Got my measuring tape. Let's get to measuring, okay? So I'm going to put my measuring tape at 13.5. You know the drill, I'm going to measure it from the middle of the wig. The 12 mark is right here. So I do believe that this is true to length. So the next thing is smell, and this hair smells like brand new hair. It does not smell bad at all, so that is good, trust me, that is good. So the texture is very soft and smooth like butter, so I really do like that. This is definitely thick. This hair is definitely bouncy, has a lot of volume. Ooh, I'm about to be killing it in this wig. So the pattern is deep curl, and this is Brazilian human hair. The curls are absolutely beautiful. I don't think I ever had curls this tight. This is super cute. I'm really feeling this. And as you can see, there are no tangles from this hair. This is a short wig, so, and it's curls, so, but there's no tangles. I'm brushing my fingers through here very easily. It's very soft and smooth, no tangles, no shedding. So this is great. I'm really liking this wig right now. So the hair ends are healthy. It's not dry at all. This hair was maintained very well. And I don't see any split ends, so it looks good. Everything looks good so far. So let's talk about the closure. So this is a 4x4 lace closure. So it's supposed to be 4 inches deep. So we can test that real quick. I will put my measuring tape at 5 inches. Now line it up. So the track is right here. So this is the track, right? I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is 4 inches deep. The track is literally right here. I guess another way we can measure the 4x4 inch is flipping the wig inside out. So this is the internal wig structure, and this is the parting space, 4x4. This is 4 inches going back, and this is also 4 inches going across. You're right on your money, A to Z wig. Your measurements are on point. But other than that, the wig structure is like your typical wigs. It has your 2 wig clips on each side, and then 1 wig clip in the middle of the head, and then 1 wig clip for the back of the head. And also in the back, they have the drawstrings, one for this side and one for the other side. And this is a breathable net, so which is good. So with all that being said, I'm really excited about this wig. I think it's super cute, so I'm gonna go try this on and let you know if it's big head friendly. Okay, so let's go try on this wig. Okay guys, so I have the wig on, and oh my goodness, this wig is so cute. I teased it a little bit so that it looks more fluffy and more whole, kind of like a little afro, and this is how it ended up. And I think this is super cute. I am loving this hair. Like, ooh, this wig is so cute. I had shifted the wig a little bit to the right, and then I made a deeper part so I can get this ba-bang. So this wig, it doesn't have any baby hairs, so if you wanted to make some baby hairs, you would have to create it. There's no hairline, so the part is only 4 inches wide and 4 inches deep, so you're not gonna have any baby hair or really a hairline to play with. But you know, all I have to do is just fix this area right here. Maybe I can like leave out some hair and it might actually look like my real hair. Can you even tell? You cannot tell this is not my hair. Like this, the way that I teased the curls out, it kind of looked like Jerry curls, you know? Definitely I can work with this wig. It's super cute. Let me show you guys the back. See, I could probably like fluff out this whole thing and just make it look like a little short fro. I think I might just do that. Like, I have some ideas of different hairstyles I can do with this wig. Like, this wig is so cute. But the one thing I will say is that it is not big head friendly. So if you are somebody who has either A, a big head, or B, a lot of hair, or C, both, this wig you're gonna struggle a little bit with, so I'm not gonna lie to you. And I know that's a huge factor for me because I am option C. I have a big head and I have thick hair, and a lot of thick hair at that. So definitely something to factor when you are looking online and if you are interested in this wig. So overall, I rate this wig a 9 out of 10, losing 1 point because it is not big head friendly. But other than that, this wig is absolutely perfect. Like, ooh, I'm just like a ham. Like, ooh, I'm really feeling this wig. Okay. 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 I see you, girl. I see you. I see you. You cute. Okay, let me stop. Focus. But overall, I think I can get away with this wig. Like, you can't even tell that this is not my hair. Like, what? Shoot, don't let my job have an 80s day, because I am putting this bad boy on my head. And I will be a young Janet Jackson, a young Halle Berry. Like, you can't tell me nothing. I really like this wig. I do. It's cute. I think it suits me. Look. I am really feeling this wig. This is so cute. I don't like short hair on me, but I like this wig. I cannot wait to see all the good things that I can do with this wig. Well, that's all that I have for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up and be sure to comment down below to let me know what you think. Also, subscribe to Slade Secrets YouTube channel so that you never miss another video. So we'll see you in the next video. Bye.